We'll be learning about imaginary numbers, also known as I. I equals square root -1.
I is not a real number. I is equal to the square root of -1. I squared is equal to the square root of -1 squared, which is equal to -1. I to the power of 3 equals I squared times I, which is equal to -1 times I, which is equal to -I. I to the power of 4 equals I to the power of 3 times I, which equals -I times I, which equals -I squared, which is equal to 1. For example, this is an equation you can do. X squared plus 6x equals -12. In parentheses, x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals -12 plus 9. In parentheses, x plus 3 squared equals -3. And then x plus 3 equals the square root of -3. So that means x equals -3 plus or minus I times square root of 3.
Example, square root of -47 would equal to square root 47 times square root of -1, which would equal to I square root of 47. We are now going to show you how to multiply complex numbers using the FOIL method. First, so 2 times 1, which equals 2. O, which is for outer, which is 2 times 4i, which is equal to 8i. I is inner, so 3i times 1 is equal to 3i. And L, which is equal to last, which is 3i times 4i, which equals to 12i squared. Now we just have to add these together. So 2 plus 8i plus 3i plus 12i squared, which is also equal to -12, since I squared is equal to -1, would equal to -10 plus 11i.